Guys, just hooked onto a monster down here at Tingalpa. Just had a massive run. I think it might be a stingray. What do you reckon of this, Byron?
I'm thinking maybe a stingray because it's not.
Or 3 metre flatty, just had some head shakes.
Yeah, it could be either a stingray or a flatty, I reckon. Those are my 2 possibilities that I'm thinking.
Now, if it's a stingray, it'll be a lot more heavier.
You reckon?
Yeah, bloody right.
Well, then it might be a flatty. Just keep that rod tip up.
Byron's
Keep the rod tip up. Keep the rod tip up.
A massive.
Oh, fuck! Keep the head tip up. Keep the head tip up.
I just don't want to take the lines with it on there.
Keep the head tip up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep pushing. Maybe tighten your drag just a tad. There you go. Keep tension. Keep tension. Do you want me to go down there and land him?
Oh, I can just pull it up there. Fucking hell, this thing's huge.
What leader are you using?
20.
20. Okay, so shoot and
Oh,
hold.
I'm not pulling it up here because. Watch out.
Yep, go down. Go around. Go around. You're coming up. He's. Oh,
No.
tension, 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 tension. Big fish. Bring him up. Holy.
Fuck, leading that's holding. Oh.
Head shakes. Oh, it's a sting. Oh, it's a huge brim. Oh, it's a fucking massive brim. Oh, come over here. Come. Come around. I'll land him. Bring him around here. I'll land him. Bring him around here. Fucking. I'm going in. I might stop recording. Is that okay?
Yep.
Just down here at Tingalpa, Ollie just did the fight of his life. That is a huge brim.
Whoa.
Get the measurer out. He's 40. He's easy 40, eh? Give me a sec. I'll
Nice 42 grunter brim here.
Huge.
Fight of my life. Whoa, one soft plastics. Let's go.
You.